Okay, 175 this week. Gold. Gold, I think it was like one, so 0.95 this week. Another like break even this week. And then this week, negative point 0.5. Another break even this week. Oh, shit, we go through. I don't know. I ain't been feeling it. Like this last month, I want to calculate all last month statistics and see. All right, the last day. Um, I don't know what the fuck I would have did today. Okay, I'm kind of done doing that shit, low key. I just want to study. I don't want to do the same bullshit I've been doing. I want to see how to advance. Like instead of just taking random setups, we go and take setups where support usually come at. So usually the my strategy work. Now it's time a point of time where okay, I don't really want to enter randomly. You want to enter. You know the strategy work. It's a win percentage. But now we're looking at how can we get a better higher win percentage, when to enter. Hey, instead of taking all these random entries, let's find a way to get better entries. So you have to look at market structure, how it moves, and everything in that nature. So as you can see, um, I do want to break down market structure. I do want to do I kind of want to do two lives in one day. One day I just want to break down market structure and see how it goes, and then break down the strategy because the strategy and market structure is two different things. So I'm just gonna break it down. So you can see we like using the five. So even so, it will be a sell point. So my sell points will be somewhere like right here, and then my buy points will be somewhere like right here. So these are my two sell buy points because just looking at overall things. So probably could sell somewhere up here, back to down here. You could buy here when it come up here and back up to here. Usually, I would try to buy. This is probably the only place you can buy realistically. So like, let's just go here. And I think what time was it? It was about two. I wasn't looking at the charts around 2 or 1 o'clock. So, but I was looking at the charts right here, and I just wanted to see what price was doing. So in real time, I really didn't care what price what it did. So, all right, let's go. So we want buys right here. So let's see. That's an L. That's one L. That's two L's. That's three L's. So we got three L's so far. Let's see. Let's click on this. Let's just say we do want to buy. We go to 30 days. 30. Oh, let's see. 30. Oh, fucking fuck. 30. Let's see. 30. Thursday is. no fucking buys. So one, this is probably at most you could buy this. So 1 for 1. Uh, 1 for 1. 0 for 2. So 1 for 3. It'd have been a nice 1 for 3 from right here. A nice 1 for 3. Three losses. So, all right, so and then we want price to come back up to here. That's another one right there. So 2. You could have got what 2 for 3. A nice 2 for 3. I would have got 2 for 3. I like this one. I ain't gonna lie. 2 for 3. Let's see. 3 for 3. So it would have been a nice 3 for 3. But we have to see, like, okay, instead of this 1.7, can we get a cool, like a cool like a 3 point or something. I'm trying to figure it out. So this probably would have been the best buy. Even so, because, like, let's just go over. So we start buying from, what's it called? From 150 to 550. So 1 o'clock to 350. So that's a good time frame. So this 3 for 3. I might have to figure something out with the EI system, because the EI, I don't know. Maybe I could have got an EI something like right here. 1, 2, 3. Boom. There was just no entry. No entry. Like, even if you wanted to buy, so we start buying in the morning. So boom, buy, boom, buy. There's really nowhere to buy. Like, if you buy here, does come back up here because this is where it broke out at. Broke out here, it comes back up. Get a couple. You get about 2 W's. Like I said, this enter here, you get the loss. This, you get the W. This is just randomization. But like I said, if we just wait for price at a certain area, we could go. But the market is like just very trendy. I don't think we can go. So, like, but we're taking advantage. This is the advantage right here. Advantage, boom, boom, boom. This is where we take the advantage. So if it comes here, it came down low, and you try to buy. Yeah. So buy. I don't even hear. You don't really know what market. So it comes down here. It breaks out the structure, it comes back up, it hits here again. But if I see price wanting to come back up or this support area and at least come back to here, I'm willing to take it. The price came out here, it go to there and it started pushing, and it's more than 50. Hell yeah, I'm gladly willing to enter. All right, look, so let's see, watch this. So this is what I mean. Let's zoom in. So look at this. So boom. Once it passed this 50, I can see it going above. So what we gonna write is key measurement measurement tabs on key measurement tabs on market when it's above its 50% fib zone and going in the market direction. So you keep that. Usually, I don't want to keep tabs on it, but I just want to see like the statistics of it, like how much times it could, fucking, how much times it could do that. I just want to keep the statistics of it, and I'll be good. Shit. So I wouldn't, you wouldn't probably trade after this. There ain't none. So boom, we're gonna leave that a question. I don't really see for anywhere else you can trade. So from you can do something like this, 3 and 3. So 3 and 3, that's the only time we should trade. So from here to here, if you want to just buy, wait for the buy. We don't play around. Okay, say you enter, wake up 7 in the morning. First, where would you want to buy? Maybe here. Maybe here. This is a good buy right here. Maybe here. You probably get a buy. You probably win a buy. But we didn't get that. So once it drops from here, we mark the price where price might want to attain to come back at. And now it comes here. Thing we still don't know what to do. It plays around. Now we got a little bit market structure. We only enter when it has market structure. If we're just going up, 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 down, 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 we don't really know when to enter. And that's where the high RRs come in at. When do we hold our RRs? So we have to figure it out. So this would have been a good time. So somewhere all of this. So let's see, good time to trade. So from 1 So from one, let's see. So from one, uh, so from 150 through, let's see, 150 through. You could just say 4, 4 p.m. Eastern. This would have been a good time to trade right here. Um, damn sure a good time to trade. Uh, what was I gonna do? Um, trading this course is good. It should have been a good. So these are good times I would have traded. So would have went one for 7. Cal. What's it? 2.1. Let's see. I want to see something. Let's go to trading view again. I might want to start posting again. Community. I just be want to look at some people's record. I'm just looking at other people's. You could look at other people's ideas. So because my strategy is a winning strategy. We just have to learn how to win more with it, basically. So let's move on to Nas. So, let's move on to gold. I probably was trying to sell. Let's see. First, we gonna look at it. So we ain't even gonna rewind time. We just gonna look at it and see what we can see. So first, what we you see itself. So we go right here. It breaks out from here. Let's see. Switch it to gold. I'm gonna try to sell somewhere in here. Let's see. Did I try to sell? We can look at it. Oh yeah. I think I did try to sell. Yeah. Yeah, I tried to. Oh, wow. What the hell was I trying to do? Okay, buy now. So buy. Oh, because I wanted price to come right here. Okay. So boom, lost. Yeah, I didn't like this one. So sell. You want to look at where we could sell or we would try to sell at. Boom. We could try these. Like I said, we got these two areas selling. I like these two areas. So you come up to here, you still got areas. Let's don't get it twisted. So let's go over to one. These is areas of selling. All right, it breaks down, comes, break new highs. All right, so let's see. Oh man. So boom, it comes here. Let's see. Let's go back to the 5 minute. So boom, it comes here. It hits here again. It's starting to drop. Let me try to get something. This would have been nice. This would have been real nice right here. The sell would have been nice right here. The sell into this probably is nice. That's probably nice. So you say 1W. So we can start from here. One. So two back to back. Comes up. It comes up. I probably want to trade this shit. It comes up again. Okay, let me try. So this is why I think we need to hire because if we going, it could just keep going. So boom, there's another one. That's two. So boom, that's two. Boom, that's three. So boom, that's three. That's three right there. Boom, three. And after that, it ain't really no recovering. It's four, but yeah, it's not. This is so all from here. So like once it comes to like right here. So from Nice 3 for 3. We're gonna have to keep looking. Go to a 2.1. 2.1%. That's not bad though. That's not bad. So this would have been mine. Oh, it's okay. Let's see this one. So Nas. So Nas, what is Nas? We buying two on Nas. So okay. So Nas. Um, so what would be what would be points of emphasis? I would like to look in the market. Maybe here, somewhere around here. So like somewhere like around here. Because it took off from here, it tried to push up, it comes back down, somewhere even below, and it could then price broke out from this area to down here. So it broke from this area, it came down here. This would have been probably a sell back to down here. Comes up here, to sell back to down here. You don't know the price. Doesn't want to just break out. So you can always come back down here. Uh, where is that gun at? I need that jump where it got like the arrow, like the higher price range. So from here to here, somewhere around here. And let's see down in 1 minute. And can we even catch that? Can we even catch that? Maybe, maybe not. But with that being, all right. So that would have been a good. This would have been somewhat of a good sell. Couldn't catch them, but all right. So we just looking for buys. It comes up. Not my fault. So probably start buying around here. So from here, probably to like right here. Maybe even above. Maybe it'll be on that. So somewhere like right here. So these is the buy areas right here. This is the only time you should buy. It's 130. You can buy right here. Want to buy right here. Probably can buy right here. And you, let's see. Can you? No valid. This is the only valid buying. So it would have been. This would have been a good valid buy and a quick little W. But this is nasty. We want to take this. But going into this, we don't know it's ranging. Like we just don't know. Like I said, you probably would have been on some nasty shit. This came back. Probably wouldn't have took this. In all honesty, I probably wouldn't have took anything until I seen this fill out. Until I seen something like this fills out. Right here. Wait till this wait fills out. So if I'd have waited till the wick filled out right here, but these in a white box, that's the time you want to trade. It's the best opportunity to capture your buy. So you really want to just be patient. Like sometimes just be patient. The market, you don't want to trade 24/7. You don't want to trade 24/7. As you can see, I'm analyzing the market. When I was at it was 10 o'clock, I'm like, it doesn't look beautiful. It just don't look good. I don't want to shoot the shot. You know, if I was a bow and arrow, the wind blowing, I don't want to shoot that shot. When the wind nice and steady, got the nice and steady wind, I'm gonna take it right here. So let this fill out. So this would have wick came up. Probably want to take this because I want this to fill out. This does fill out, so we get what 1W right here. So we get 1W. Boom. And we probably never get another W. So all right, we get a do we get another W? It's an L. We get two and an L. So we get two and an L. So one W right here, an L. Let's see if we can catch one more. We can. So we nice 2-1. And 2-1, that's pretty okay. 2-1, trade off 1%. And look, that's 3.4 take away things. So that's 2.4% for today. You ain't gotta take that much trades. 2.4%. 2.4%. 1, 2, 3, something like this. This would have been a nice DI. Oh, yeah. This, yeah, you don't take any of this shit. This is bullshit. Like I'm saying, it does work sometimes. Let's say you win this, like even so, you can take this, like, but you want the best opportunity. Like price. All right, so say you want it would sell. Price does got to come back up to here. So you probably like, hey, let me take this. Let me take this again. Like I said, you'd have been 1-1. I mean, so you thinking price, but once it comes up down to here, this is when you take it. So now, what I'm gonna do for silver, I never looked at silver. Instead of going back, I want to look at silver in real time. So we're gonna look at it in real time and see what it is. So okay, silver in real time. What do I see? I don't really see anything. You can see it came back, price come back. So boom, let's just say price come back from here to here. Hey, here to here. At most you can buy. So gold. At most you can buy. Uh, let's just see. So boom. So that's one L. So comes up. So that's 1 and 1. That's 1 and 1. Where price broke out at somewhere around here. So you kind of will want price to come somewhere around here. This is what you're just obligated to. So you're really 1 and 1. I think it was 1 and so easy. Boom, come here. That's 0 1. Come here. What's this? Probably don't enter this shit. So 1 1. It's gonna enter. What the fuck did we enter? Okay, this is the first one. Boom, 1 1. Don't never enter again. So boom, don't never enter again. That's a nice one right there. 1 2. Like that. Let's see. Enter that one. 1 3. 1 4. 1 5. 2 6. And then this range. So I've been just been 2 for 6 for today. 3.4 lose. You'd have been negative 3%. Or somewhere around here. So even so negative 3. But this is the best we probably could have did, to be honest. I don't really like it, but let's just say it was the best we would have did. So market broke out from here. We wanted to come back up here, but market broke out again from here. We want to test it. And let's just play it. You see now it's starting to look. This looks nasty. So boom. Like I said, we want the buys because look, boom, 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 buy, 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 buy. Like I said, we want this is what price broke out. Buy, buy. You probably can even buy a little bit right here. But if we in buy trends, we in buy trends. If we in sales, what I would have did for sales. To be honest, if you was in sales, you probably wouldn't sell one day today. In all honesty, you can sell like right. You wouldn't sell at all. You just wouldn't. So sales, you would wait until price come back to the original spot. But today you probably wouldn't sell. So if you bought, yeah, you'd have been 2 and 6 or something like that. But you entered, but sales, you probably would have just never sold nothing today. This is it, probably at most. Let's see. At most, you would have sold this right here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Into yeah, so you probably got one out of this shit. Probably sell again somewhere right here. Then we can see his range, and so we would probably just stop taking it. So the sales would have been absolutely. But yeah, that's it for today though. I actually really wanna I really want to dive deep. I want to start doing 2 hours, a whole July, and dropping videos nonstop. I want to take my career very serious. I want to start coding, making statistic videos of the market, or things. So I will be going live, just talking about things, looking at people ideas. So like my next step is to look at oh shit, YouTube video. Oh shit, wait. Wait, man. People. Trade, trade, idea, already got an idea. So for tomorrow, we just gonna be rating people ideas. Hopefully we can break it down. I don't know. I'm gonna try to do it on live. Get the clips and edit it. I don't know how to do that shit, but I don't know if I should go live or just react to it and then chop it up. I don't know which one I'm gonna do. Matter of fact, I'm gonna look at live. I'm gonna end the live now. I'm gonna go live tomorrow. We're gonna study our stats, and then we're gonna look at other people's stats and see what can we learn. So yeah, peace. Yeah. Let's see.